Welcome to Math 63, Unit 2, Lecture 1, Part 4, Multiplying Binomials. Here we go. Alright, sometimes you might be asked to multiply some binomials together. Alright? Now, in some places you might have learned about foiling and stuff like that. That's a great little memory trick, but really all it is just a application of the distributive law twice. So we're going to take this a plus b and just treat it like it's one thing. Just think of it as a box, and we're going to keep everything in a box, and we're going to distribute that to both parts of the c plus d, to both terms there. So we're going to get c times a plus b plus d times a plus b. And now we distribute again. C distributes and d distributes. All right, and I'm going to write these the letters in alphabetical order as I go here. So this is going to be c times a, which is ac, plus c times b, which is bc, plus d times a, which is ad, and d times b, which is bd. Now, in this case, there's no cleaning up that I can do. All right, and this is where we'll leave it for here, because I've multiplied it out as far as I can. Now, let's take a look at an actual example with some numbers thrown in there. Okay, we'll start with this one. All right, so it's the same thing. We take our first one and treat it as a box. You could take the second one and distribute it first if you like. It's up to you. All right, but just so that we have some regularity, I'm going to start with this one and distribute it to both parts. So we have 3x times 2x plus 3, and then minus, because there's a minus 7 here. So minus 7 times 2x. Oh, pay attention to what you're doing, Reg. 2x plus 3. Okay, and now we distribute. So 3x times 2x and 3x times 3. 3x times 2x is going to be, 3 times 2 is 6. X times x is x squared. 3x times 3 will be 9x. Not x squared, just x, because there's no x there. All right, now we have minus 7 times 2x. 7 times 2 is 14, so negative 14 because of the minus. And then there's an x. And now we have minus 7 times 3, so that's minus 21. That's a 2. 21. Okay, and now you'll notice that we have two terms that just have x, so they're like terms, so we can collect them. So we now have 6x squared. 9 minus 14 is negative 5. Negative 5x minus 21. Okay. So that's how we expand a pair of binomials being multiplied together. All right, let's do one more example. So here we have x minus 3 times 2x plus 6. All right, we will distribute the x minus 3 first. So we'll have 2x times x minus 3 plus 6 times x minus 3. And now distribute the 2x and distribute the 6. So we have 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 3, or negative 3 I should say, is negative 6x. Now we have 6 times x, so that's plus 6x. And now we have 6 times negative 3, so that's negative 18. All right, and now collecting like terms, I have minus 6x and plus 6x. So I end up with 2x squared minus 18. Okay, and yeah, I could common factor out a 2 for those people who are looking at that, but I'm trying to expand here. Yeah, there might be some people who are noticing, hey, what happened to my x term, right? And if you can figure out what I did here, you can come tell me, and I'll shake your hand or something. All right, very good. So there's some examples of binomials being multiplied together.